turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Take the plastic tab located on the bottom of the cabin filter, then pull on it, directing it slightly upwards. Once free, pull it downwards so the filter is slightly folded and can come out. There are two types of cabin filter. The white ones are called pollen filters, while the black ones are called activated charcoal filters. The first ones help prevent dust from entering, while the second filters out both dust and gases. The choice is yours. To put it back in place more easily, pay careful attention to the way you put it in. To do this, the cover can be used as a guide. Push the filter into its housing. Don't worry about folding it and twisting it slightly. When putting the cover back on, the upper part goes on first. This will allow you to screw the whole thing, flipping the bottom of the cover. Operation completed.